Hi, my name is Grant Kramer, and I am a professor emeritus at the University of Nevada, Reno. In this video, I provide the answers to the previous quiz for my plant physiology class.
1. A plant hormone, and the correct answer is D, all of the above, must bind to a dedicated receptor, induces gene transcription, and can affect kinases. 2. Plant hormones can be transported, and the correct answer is D, all of the above, long distances, short distances, and across membranes. 3. The classic 5 hormones include E, none of the above. A is wrong because of strigolactones, B is wrong because of jasmonic acid, and C is wrong because of ethane. The classic 5 are auxin, gibberellins, cytokinins, ethylene, and abscisic acid. 4. Plant hormones must, and the correct answer is E, none of the above. It cannot be synthesized in high concentration. It must be synthesized in low concentrations. It doesn't have to elicit transcriptional responses. The key word here is must. And C, it doesn't act gradually at distant places in the plants only. It can act rapidly in very short distance. 5. Plant hormones have and the correct answer is A high degree of conservation across the plant kingdom.